Hey, welcome back. Well, I hope you had a good 4th of July and you got to spend some time with family and also have some time off. Well, right into this restoration video, I started off by stripping the models, and if you haven't seen the video I made on that, I'll probably link it above. But beyond that, I learned some lessons from last time, shut the sink, and we got these models all cleaned up and set out to dry on the patio on a nice hot day. And of course, after these guys dried, I went ahead and primed it and got them ready to start painting. I pretty much exclusively use Pro Acryl, but this is the thinner that I use. I thinned the paint down roughly like an 8:1 ratio, and then I made just a standard Zenithal highlight over this black prime, and then I hit it from a 45-degree angle, and I did about 2 coats of this. You can always count on a Pro Acryl bottle to explode on you every now and then. I'm a really big fan of this gradient that this kind of method creates. It's nice, it's got a good subtle transition, you can see all the values of color on the model. Right now I'm just focusing on blocking in all my base colors so I can build up to a better highlight, but again, you can go as far or as short as you want to go with this method to get your models tabletop ready. Alright, here I do some simple wet blending with 3 colors, white, this royal blue, and this navy blue. I really just put the paint on there in a liberal amount. I dry my brush off and I try to work the 2 paints together. If you practice enough, you can get it pretty well. Keep in mind wiping your brush off while you're blending the colors together. In fact, I might make a tutorial on how to do a power weapon like this. It's really basic. I'm not the greatest at it, but it yields a good result. So now you can see me kind of add these different values, pushing those highlights a little bit further. But again, you don't have to do this. This is just what I do to my models that I put on the tabletop. So go as far or as short as you want, but it's all up to you. Alright, here comes one of my favorite parts, basing. I want to do more videos on some basing techniques and how I base, but I hope you enjoy this. This is a very, very simple method that I use on 99% of my models. Motherfucker. This weathering pigment from Tamiya is absolutely amazing. I love it. I apply it with a brush and then I seal it in with some isopropyl alcohol, and it leaves a really, really nice dusty looking effect in the end. Alright, that pretty much wraps up the restoration as I finish the rim here. I hope you were able to learn how to restore some models through my past couple tutorials, and who knows what the future brings. I'm just excited to be painting, man. So stay safe, stay positive, and just keep trying to make that effort to improve every day.